So guys, today we are going to be testing out a whole bunch of new niche perfumes together, so keep on watching for all the first impressions. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this type of content, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. You can also follow me on my social media and check out the description box for more health information. And once you're done with that, I cannot wait to open all of these new perfumes together with you. So let's get started. So hello guys, today I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packages, and in one of them we have 3 perfumes. So I would like to know what's the newest fragrance in your collection, and we are gonna get started with Playboy. Yeah, you heard me right, they reached out to me and I was so excited because I've never smelled anything from this brand. So oh yeah baby, this is such a cool presentation, and I cannot wait to try out these fragrances because they are fun, they are colorful, they are super cute. And let me know if you've smelled anything from this brand. We are gonna get started with Play It Sexy in a pink box like this. So this is the bottle design and it is kind of cute, right? I mean, like, unique. Let's figure out how to open it. Oh yeah, that's how it goes. So here we go, you guys. Fresh. It has a very weird note that I like. It's a little bit medicinal, kind of clean, and oh, this is exciting. I can't really put it into any category. It's kind of floral but so muted that I can't really figure out what's inside. It smells a little bit, you know, just fresh, like you're, I don't know, cooking something. It's like boiling water with yeah, no, it's like you're cooking fruits, something like that. I don't know, I'm picking up this slightly metallic fruitiness, but I'm sure there is musk and flowers in here. I just can't figure out which one. So let's look them up. What do we have in here? And it says that there are flowers such as jasmine, rush. What's rush? I don't know what that should be, but there is also pink grapefruit. Okay, I can smell something fruity, maybe that's that, and virgin vanilla. Okay, so yeah, it is not too sweet. It's a very lovely, kind of clean, not too shower jelly, but that style of fragrance that I feel will be liked by younger audience or those who just like to smell inoffensive and, you know, casual, relaxed. It's not one of those strange fragrances. I feel like it's very mass appealing. Let's check out the next one that is called Keep It Real. Now I know where we can look up the notes, and this is the same bottle design. I really like it. What do you think of it? It's kind of cool, right? So let's spray this one on. Literally, I have no idea what to expect from it, but I like this color. It's, oh my god, and I love this. I haven't even noticed that Playboy writing. It's very cool, textural, super nice. Oh, this is candy, fruity, very juicy, mouth-watering type of fragrance. Oh my god, we probably have something like peach in there, or even like maybe something tropical. Keep It Real is definitely my style of fragrance. It smells very uplifting, super fun. Oh my god, I feel like it's candy in a bottle. So lovely for the summertime. Let's look up the notes. Mandarin sorbet. Oh yeah, so it has that candy thing but in a fruity way. Happy hibiscus, like that, happy hibiscus, and musk touch. So this is brighter, more vivid than the previous perfume. That is more mellow. It's so soft, kind of like your second skin. This is super bubbly, super fun. Oh my god, I actually really like this one. It reminds me of some fruity soda drink from my childhood. So this is amazing. And we have one more in a purple bottle, Goddess Complex. Real cool name, my favorite so far. Let's have a look at the bottle. Same idea. Oh my god, I just, oh, it's different. So it doesn't come out and it's glittery. So cool. Oh my god, guys, I'm excited for this one. I think it's gonna smell like berries, right? Because of the color. What do you think? Okay, It smells very abstract. I don't really know what is in there, but it is sweet. It is... I always describe these kind of florals as crystallized, so it's not super like natural full bloom. It's like very fragile type of elegant floral, see. And it's sweet. I feel like there is some kind of this a little bit heady gourmandish patchouli, so it has very complex scent in the comparison with the first fragrance and even the second one. Oh, I find that this smells the best. I feel like it smells most interesting, even most expensive. So let's look up the notes. Juicy peach. Oh, we have peach in here. I actually associated peach with the second fragrance because of the color too, and the fragrance, it was just like peach candy to me, but no, we have peach in here, pink pepper and rich praline. Oh, okay, so maybe that praline patchouli is that what I was getting, but I feel like this is a little bit more sexy type of fragrance, so all of these three are great. And if I need to choose a favorite, that would be Goddess Complex or Keep It Real. I don't know, maybe both of these, because the first one it's just a little bit too light for me personally, but kind of lovely. Have you smelled anything from Playboy? Maybe their masculine perfumes? I would like to know, and would definitely like to dig deeper into their line. So if there is something cool worth attention, let me know down below. Alrighty guys, so now let's check out this bad boy right here. Honestly, when I received a perfume that smell like a king, I mean, like, such a fun name, from Experimental Perfume Club. You know that I like EPC perfumes because they smell so natural, they are extremely addictive, the quality is right up there, so I was so excited for it. And the only thing is that they are a bit more challenging to get out of the box. So let me know if you've smelled anything from them, and you might be interested in kind of like my house overview of their collection, because they have so many great perfumes that you can mix and layer together or wear on their own. So are you ready to check out this King fragrance? Because this is actually a special blend of two of their other perfumes that are Cardamom Moss and Cedar Absinthe. Now, I'm not the person that is overly into woody fragrances. I have a few notes that I enjoy, like sandalwood, but overall, I'm more fruity, floral, powdery, clean, or oriental. So woody fragrances are not necessarily right up my alley, but I swear by this brand, so I am really excited to check it out. So let's smell like a king together. Oh my god, it smells so sexy, really rich. I get like, yeah, definitely the woodiness that is a little bit more damp because of the oak moss, but there is something more to it, like maybe leather. It just has this very rich, expensive vibe. I don't know if this is the name that tricks me, but it's great marketing. It's definitely one of those fragrances you would wear if you're going somewhere to high society place, you're wearing a suit or something, more masculine for sure. I know that there is something like patchouli in there 100% because I can smell it right away, and I find that this is very just down-to-earth type of fragrance, and since patchouli is the most luxurious perfume material in my personal opinion, this is just perfect for, you know, that type of very monarchy type of reference. So if you want to smell like a king, check it out. And by the way, great thing about this brand is that they offer you guys discount, so I'm affiliated with them, and if you want to check them out, let me know if I should film like a full collection breakdown for you. And Smell Like a King is definitely more masculine, so maybe Benny will wear it more often, but I will definitely use it as a layering perfume because I don't have many woody perfumes, as I've said, not necessarily into cedarwood, nor I am like a huge moss fan, but because of this patchouli, I think this is going to be a great also going out nighttime addition of more mysterious layer to some of my other favorite fragrances. So with that being said, now we have something completely different on the other spectrum. This should be a beautiful fruity perfume from Chaboud called Caprice de Jenne. And by the way, you guys, I have a full collection review on their perfumes and they are so elegant, so chic and French. Make sure to check out that video. And now let's open it. I kept it unpacked. Maybe some of you are into ASMR, so there's a little moment for you guys. Okay, and now the actual bottle. Ta-da! So beautiful, so lovely. I have so many favorites from them, like the milky fragrance, the vanilla fragrance, the chocolate fragrance, and now this. I haven't smelled it because I have some samples of the other Capri fragrances. There are a couple of them, Capri de Marie, Capri de something else, and now this one, but I like the notes. I checked them out and I was like, I want to smell it. So let's put it on. Oh my God, okay, that went right on my face. So now I'll smell, so yeah, it's kind of like this almost jammy berry type of fragrance. So if you like sweet, fluffy, really ripe type of a raspberry perfume, this should be on your to try list because that note pops in here. It's overall very fruity, right? And I like that it smells realistic. It is very ripe. I know that there is also cherry in here and it is really well balanced with the musk, with the woods, even oud and pink pepper, lychee. So on the one side, it's just this uplifting, juicy, mouth-watering, fun type of a full-on fruity berry type of a fragrance. And there is something in the background that just smells so deep and sensual, maybe because of the woods and patchouli. I know there is also something floral in there, but it is not as obvious as the fruity accord. So oh my God, I think I found my go-to fragrance for work because it's, you know, just happy enough to keep me alive at work. Because when it's stressful, I definitely need something that smells pleasant and just, you know, satisfying. So I reach out for my fruity perfumes, but at the same time, it has this elegant vibe to it, okay? So it's not one of those you know, crazy fruity fragrances. It's just, you need to smell it. And by the way, I also have a discount to share with you, so you can save a little bit on their products as well. And all the help information is going to be linked down below as always. But let me know, do you like raspberry? Because I find this note just elevate all the perfumes and it can be used in so many different blends. If you have a favorite perfume with it, please let me know, but I can't. I love it. And that's where I think I can get lots of use out of it. So yeah, I'm super happy that I went for it because I had a feeling I will enjoy it because of the notes. And sometimes they fool me, but not this time. I'm super happy about that. And last or not least, and look how pretty packed it is a new release from Aurora par Charles Wong. And this is the brand that I adore and enjoy a lot. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th fragrance in their line that I have, and I'm super happy to add to my collection because all of them are kind of inspired by France and Paris. So I am already liking this color palette. It just looks so romantic and very beautiful. Oh my God, I hate when these are so difficult to get out of the box. Oh, but it's so lovely. My goodness, I can't wait. Oh my God, I can't wait. But just don't drop it, Yana, to smell it, because I know that it is inspired by the founder, by the trip of the founder of the brand, Charles Wong, so sorry, to the very famous luxurious villa somewhere in France that belonged to the Baroness Beatrice something, so sorry you guys, I can't just say all these French words, but you know, the European aristocracy, so famous and rich, used to spend their summer vacations there as, you know, they resort for their vacations. And I really want to smell it. So let's put it on. And it's always so, you know, just like beautiful and chic. Oh, okay, so it is very fresh. It's even a little bit aquatic. Oh my god, is it salty? So I'm smelling fruity. But it's mixed with watery saltiness. So it's just perfect for the idea for the summertime beautiful vacation. Oh, very luscious. I'm getting like a watermelony something, like you know, not ripe, rather almost green fruits. And you know, actually it comes right on time, because I am in the middle of planning my first ever top list of marine style fragrances, and you know what, it will be definitely featured in it. So if you are into aquatic perfumes, let me know what are your favorites, and definitely stay tuned for my selection of beautiful aquatic fragrances that I actually like and wear. But this, because of the fruits and musk, and wow, it smells even a little bit minty, so it reminds me of a cocktail somewhere in a beautiful cafe with a view at the ocean. Yeah, this is lovely. This is definitely in my style. Not too masculine as many of those fragrances are, but I guess that was all for today's video. Let me know if you'll be checking out any of these perfumes, and definitely what's the newest one in your collection. If you get interested in these, then check them out, because I have some discounts to share with you, and if there are any questions left, I'm here to answer them. So I would really appreciate your thumbs up if you enjoy videos in this format, so I know that you would be interested in seeing more of these. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on my social media. Other than that, I'm super happy that now I found a beautiful layering fragrance for going out, because I find that Smell Like a King will definitely add a hint of mystery to any perfume out there. And I also really enjoy Caprice de Jenne. It met all of my expectations, and now I can replace my previous fragrance I used last month for work. So a few real great discoveries. I'll be keeping the Aurora fragrance for hotter summer days, and definitely use Playboys on the everyday basis, because they are just very inoffensive and fun to play with. But other than that, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned, smell good. We'll see each other next one really soon. Bye guys.